If your dog needed a $7,000 surgery tomorrow, could you say yes without financial panic? Today, we're talking about something most financial advisors never cover: pet insurance and the real financial impact of loving your four-legged family members. We recently featured our own pets in our newsletter, and it reminded us of something important. Pets aren't just animals, they're family, but love doesn't replace planning, and unfortunately, your dog doesn't understand deductibles, reimbursement percentages, or why, although emergency vets are open at 2 a.m., they certainly charge accordingly. Let's start with understanding real costs, because this is where most people underestimate the risk. Number 1, ACL surgery, $3,000 to $7,000, depending on breed and location. Number 2, emergency surgery, $5,000 to $10,000 or more. Number 3, cancer treatment, $5,000 to $15,000, depending on complexity. Number 4, ongoing medications or chronic conditions, hundreds per month in some cases. These numbers aren't meant to scare you, they're meant to prepare you. So, what are your options? Let's explore this financial strategy checklist. Option 1, self-insure, which means you set aside a dedicated pet emergency fund, auto-transfer $50 to $100 a month into a separate savings account that builds flexibility over time. Option 2, traditional pet insurance. Monthly premiums vary by breed, age, and location. Coverage typically includes accidents and illness, but pay close attention to deductibles and reimbursement rates. Option 3, the hybrid approach. Carry a moderate coverage insurance plan and maintain a smaller emergency savings fund. This reduces catastrophic risk while keeping premiums manageable. Now, here's the biggest mistake people make with pet insurance: waiting too long. Once a condition is diagnosed, it often is considered pre-existing and may not be covered. Timing matters. Enrollment earlier in your pet's life typically means better coverage options. When reviewing a policy, here's what to evaluate: annual coverage limits, deductible structure, annual versus per incident, reimbursement percentage, 70, 80, or 90%, waiting periods, and it can be breed specific, exclusions, and pre-existing condition clauses. And here's the financial planning connection. Unexpected vet expenses don't just impact your pet fund. They can disrupt your emergency savings, delay debt payoff, or even pause retirement contributions. We've seen families forced to choose between financial stability and emotional decisions in the moment. Planning removes that pressure. This isn't about buying insurance because you're scared. It's about building resilience into your financial life. You insure your home, you insure your car, you insure your health. If your pet is part of your family, it deserves thoughtful planning too. And no, this isn't just about over-insuring everything. It's about understanding your risk tolerance and cash flow. Financial health means being able to say yes to care without creating long-term stress. If you'd like help aligning your household budget, emergency funds, and insurance strategy, including the furry members of your family, that's exactly what we help clients think through every day. And as always, for more information, visit us at www.framewealth.com. See you next time.